hi.
Hi, today we're going to talk about puppies. I am Cassandra Dickerson.
Puppy.
Now still I'm eating.
She's a bit of a pig when it comes to eating. She even chews with her mouth open. Now that's gross. But we're here to talk about puppies, not oral hygiene. Ew. Ew. I think the puppy peed on me. Nope. It's just wet.
Oh, and by the way, I do not.
Don't poke my eye with a fork. You got salt and pepper on it. That's gonna hurt.
Yes.
She's like, give it to me.
Hang on, hang on. Go that way.
Hey, I'm down here. I'm down here. Blah 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 blah. Ooh, food. My puppy.
Hey.
My puppy's a bit on the weird side. Isn't that right, Haley?
Yes.
She's like, give it.
I'll kill that little thing.
My puppy. You weirdo.
I'm weird. Who's trying to prance it open and trying to get my food?
Look at her legs. Aw, they were going.
So puppies are cute.
Puppies are a handful. And you gotta make sure that they're just right, or they'll keep whining and keep you up all night.
By the way, if you ever get a puppy, do not put it in a big dark pen.
She'll whine all night long. We were up all night last night. 'Cause of you. But you're so cute, so I can't stay mad at you.
I can.
She knocked my puppy out. I'm back for more.
Okay.
Ah, I forget it. Ow, ow, my hair.
You're back for more, are you?
Yep. No. Okay, I'm gonna put Puppy on the floor now before she seriously gets hurt for real. Get off! Thank you. The weirdo.
Wow.
I know, right? I'm crazy.
She's mental. I'm kidding. The dog is.
I'm mental? That's mean!
I said the dog is.
Aw, you said me first.
I meant when I said she's mental, I thought you were still holding the dog.
No! I put the dog down, remember? Like I said, puppies are a handful. They keep whining all night, they keep you up all night, and then tired. But Haley here slept in her room on her floor, so she can't be tired anymore. You stupid freaking computer! Haley, can I punch the computer now?
Yeah. Hey. Hello!
Hello! I'm a nerd. Peace out, dudes.
By the way, if you ever get a dog, you gotta keep that little one away. I will hurt a dog.
And sing.